In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from a Slack workspace. If you're offboarding an employee, contractor, or intern, this is an important admin task to handle promptly. In Slack, removing someone from a workspace is called deactivating an account. When you deactivate a user, their access is immediately revoked across any desktop or mobile devices where they were signed in. At the same time, their message history and shared files stay in place, which is helpful because your team won't lose valuable conversations, context, or searchable records. Before you do this, keep in mind that any apps, integrations, or Slackbot workflows created by that user may stop working and might need to be reassigned or reconfigured by an active admin. Also, their profile image will be replaced by a default icon and their name will display as deactivated. On paid plans, billing usually updates automatically on the next cycle based on active seats. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and sign in to your workspace. Once you're inside Slack, go to the upper left corner of the sidebar and click on your workspace name. This opens a drop-down menu. From there, hover over Settings and Administration and then click Manage Members. That will take you to the web-based member management page in your browser where you can view and manage everyone in the workspace. Once you're on the member directory page, head to the search box near the top right of the member list. Type in the team member's name or their work email address to quickly narrow down the results. When their profile appears in the list, find the correct row so you can take action on that account. It's always a good idea to double check that you have the right person before continuing, especially in larger workspaces where names may look similar. Now move to the right side of that person's row and click the More Actions button, which appears as 3 vertical dots. In the drop-down menu, select Deactivate Account. Slack will then show you a confirmation pop-up since this action immediately locks that person out of the workspace. If the pop-up includes an option to remove them from shared external Slack Connect channels, check that box if needed. This can be useful if you want to fully remove their access from those shared spaces as well. Finally, click the red Deactivate button to confirm. At that point, the user will be signed out and permanently locked out of the workspace. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.